Hello, we are at Chirk. We've got a number of trains tonight, so I'm going to try and speak less and let you enjoy. Now, I swear those lights get brighter when you walk underneath them. Let's just pause this. Let's have a look. Got sensors underneath. I swear they get brighter. Yeah, we've got a cement train, a log train, premier train, and then we have our usuals. I'm just going to go across there quickly to have a look at the tramway that they're doing. See, that's got brighter. The lights are on, but they get brighter as you walk along. Just have a look at this light here. Right, I've only got 20 minutes of film, so try and keep it short. Right, so have a look at this light. Yeah, see, they get brighter when they sense people. So we've got a 5-car 197, premier train, log train, cement train 158. I'm just going to have a little look up here. There's a star there. I think that's Venus. A star? Planet. Did I say star? I meant planet. Right, let's pause this because you want to see some trains and not me chatting away. Daniel's in the car. He'll be joining me in a bit. Let's just pause this to save some time. Well, all I can see is that they've dug a little trench where the old station house used to be. Wagons are still there. Yeah, I know this video ain't great because it's night time, but I'm not waiting months to make it. So they've dug like a proper trench. Right, let's watch some trains, shall we? I know I've done these videos before, but that's what they're doing. And there's a couple of wagons there that you can just about see on the track there. Pause it here to shorten my time. I know you can't see it on the screen. Got Venus there. Jupiter's up there. I think Saturn's below that. And I'm pretty sure that's Mars there. Right, there should be a 5-car. I won't get it leaving because I need to save camera time. So I've just got it arriving. Yeah, it's definitely a 5-car. Ooh. Oh, it's not all gonna fit in. No, we are literally a carriage out. Right, I'm gonna pause it here and save some time. Yeah, see, look, we're a carriage out. Now, is there sensors on the side of here? Like the back carriage knows it's not at a platform, so the doors won't release, you see. So is there like sensors to show that it's not on the platform? Right, I'm going to pause it here. Got another 5 trains to see. I need to consume the memory. Right, our log train should be here any second. Oh, I can hear it. No, it's like is this like an old platform bit? Looks like old tactile. Here we are. Log train. Yeah, look at the. It's like it's an old platform edge. Oh, here we go. Here's our log train. Oh, I can smell it all. Now we'll try and keep this really short because I've got other trains to squeeze in. That'll reverse now because the point's on our side. Go into that factory there. I can't remember exactly what they do in there, but I'm sure someone will tell me. There we go. Now here we'll reverse now. I've just stopped this here just to save some time. I know that's something. It's like a platform edge, isn't it? Right. Stop talking because I need to save time. Probably just talking to the signaller to make sure the point's correct for him to reverse into the siding for that factory. Chronos? I don't know, I can't remember what it is. Here we go. So all the way down there. Where does all these logs come from? Because this train comes here like a few times a week. You know, the amount of trees that need to grow and... Right, I'm going to go and capture it on the bridge. So we've still got the Premier train and the cement train yet. It's like where, you know, like a plantation, you know, forestation. How do they build that many trees? It's right. I'm gonna capture it going up the stairs. Try and save some time on my phone. My memories. Need to start transporting some of this data on my PC. Oh, let's try and get underneath the engine, shall we? Don't drop my phone. Well, torch ain't gonna do nothing, is it? I'll just let the train go a little bit and then I will stop it. Oh, I can feel the heat. I can feel the heat off that. Off he goes. Into the sidings, probably what? I don't know, quarter of a mile round the bend. I'll let it go a little bit further and then I'll stop it. Yeah, it's like the amount of trees that come on that train, that's got to be like 18 cars long. And it all goes into that building there. I'm sure Anthony and Clive will let me know exactly what that does. But, you know, the amount of trees that get planted and cut down just for that, it's, you know. Right, I'll leave it for 10 minutes. Well, you can't really see bugger all now because it's all blurry. Right, I'm going to pause it here. I think the next train's a normal train on this side. The Premier shoots past on that side. The cement train's on that side. Right, catch you in a bit. Let's have a quick go. We got 5 minutes for another train, haven't we?
I felt sick a bit right now, but now
Hang
I
on.
feel a bit better. Kinda.
They do.
Don't tell my mum this. You're too old.
I'm gonna fall over in a minute.
You're too old for this.
The lights.
That's my scooter.
Oh. Right, you'll go. Right, let's catch this train, shall we? Because it'll be in 5 minutes. Yeah, what does the driver do with a log train? Does he just like sits there until they unload it? That must take ages to unload. Right. Hi. Just want to see if what that excavator thing is down there is. Yeah. There. There's its wheels, and there's its rails. Land recovery. Let's go up here and see if we can get a better view of it. It's too dark to see what it is proper. I'm sure if you type that in, you know, you can see it properly. Shiny lights. Just go with the car there. You coming back down now, are you? Sparkly lights, aren't they? Right, let's go and see these other 4 trains then. They should be here now. When's our next train? 47. Oh, when it's 47 now? And the coaches have got 2. Right, let's go have a look at this train then, shall we? Oh, there it is. Another 197. Oh, that's just going to, that's terminating at Shrewsbury. Should we go down the front? Hang on now. You're not very...
Oh, it's going Shrewsbury, not
Hang on. Hang on.
It's called Animal Train.
Those lights get brighter when you walk underneath them. He did wave. Oh, horn, did you hear that? Right, be another train on there in 10 minutes. Right, our Premier train should be here now. The amount of times I've heard say it, sort it, and no tactile paving and luggage unattended. The amount of times I've heard that, it's brainwashed me. I have nightmares in my sleep. Anyway, let's get back to reality. Premier train, a normal train, and a cement train. If the cement train's running late, then I'll have to leave it because time's getting on then. Here we go. Diesel went first. You could tell, I know by the tone of the sound of the horn, the DVT's got a different horn. I know it's a bit blurry. What's that bit of platform there? That's a bit too high for coaches though, but I'm sure that's a part of an old platform side. Right, 2 trains, and then we're going. They have an award for last year. The smallest station of the year, Chirk. I'm pretty sure the smallest station of the year. I'm pretty sure there's smaller stations. Isn't that Welsh train station with the really long words? Isn't that shorter than this? Because this platform can hold 4 coaches, but that can barely hit 3. So this ain't the smallest station of the year. There's more than that. just type it in. Was it LAN, go, you know, that one. That's smaller than this station. We've got a green flag award as well, whatever that means. Oh, never mind, I've read it wrong. It's small station of the year, or would they be saying it's a smallest station of the year? Is it one of the best small stations? I don't know.
I'm just going to show you something that I just popped up. That is a different logo.
There's the line. Now I do have this for Train Sim, the very beginning Train Sim, you know, like Train Sim 2000. I think I do have that line, but it's very, very basic. I would show you, but people won't be interested. I get it. Within all the smallest stations, this is won the prize. Yeah. Silly brain. Oh look, there's a joke on somebody's bike.
Joke.
Joke of it. Hang on. Joke. Why couldn't the bike stand up by itself? Because it was too tired. Happy New Year. Do you get it?
Yeah, it's too tired because it's new, yeah, and it's too tired from driving.
No, it's because it's got two wheels, Daniel. Oh, cement train! Cement train! It's lucky that's running 5 minutes early. Right, let's go and catch our last train of the night over there, which is late. That's early. The passenger train's late.
I thought you said it would be Chester train.
No, that's on the other
I trusted you.
That's on the other platform.
Yeah, but
Well, no, the passenger train is running a few minutes late, but the cement train's running a few minutes early. I can't check real-time trains up when I'm making a video.
it says it's kind
So the Premier train's a 67.
it's here.
The cement train was a 66. I'm not quite sure what the log train is. Is it a 70? I don't know. I'll have to rewind. I'll have to watch my video and then type it in. That is what it used to be, and that's what they're trying to remake over there. That's what they're trying to do there. I think, is that our train here? Is our train here now? It's got to give time for the Premier train to go ahead. You remember we were at Coboin and that 158 stood at the platform for 10 minutes to let the 67 get ahead. This is what this is doing, but we're a station up. Here it is. Where is it? 158. You can tell by the lights.
I'm gonna sit down.
Yep, you sit down. Last train of the night. So we had 7 trains today, haven't we?
I'm tired.
That's what we had. We got. There's my little timetable thing.
I'm like tired, sad, and sick. So don't know what's happened to me today. All sunny, making me an headache.
There we go. How many horns we had? 1. A few waves, isn't it? There we are. We're off now. Yep, home time.